Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Microsoft Teams, pro tips step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams on your device. Sign in with your work or school account. Explore the interface to familiarize yourself with the layout. Navigate to the Teams tab on the left sidebar. Click on the team you want to engage with. Use the General channel for team-wide announcements and discussions. Access the Posts tab to see ongoing conversations. To start a new conversation, click on Start a New Conversation at the bottom. Type your message and hit Enter to send. Use the formatting options for enhanced messages. To reply to a specific message, hover over it and click the Reply button. If you need to share files, go to the Files tab within your team. Click on Upload to add files from your device. Use the chat feature for one-on-one or small group conversations. Click on the chat icon in the left sidebar. Select an existing chat or start a new one by clicking on the pencil icon. Type your message and hit Enter to send. To schedule a meeting, navigate to the Calendar tab. Click New Meeting in the top right corner. Fill in the meeting details, including date, time, and participants. Send the invitation to all attendees. During a meeting, use the microphone and camera buttons in the Call toolbar. Utilize the Share Screen feature to present documents or slides. Record the meeting by clicking on the More Actions button and selecting Start Recording. After the meeting, find the recording in the Chat or the Files tab. Use the Task feature to assign and track tasks among team members. Click on the Tasks tab to access the dashboard. Create new tasks by clicking on Add a Task and filling in the details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.